Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Bogwalk Gorge. The Bogwalk Gorge is one of the most scenic routes you can drive through in Jamaica, one of the most scenic roads. You also have Fern Gully in the same time that you can drive through, very nice, very scenic. And you also have Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth that you can also drive through. But outside of those two, the Bogwalk Gorge is probably the most scenic place you can drive through in Jamaica. So on the left is the Rio Cobra River. We just went over the flat bridge, which is probably the most popular, well, it is one of the most iconic landmarks in Jamaica. And that is why the Bogwalk Gorge is so popular or so famous. It's because of flat bridge. We have videos up of the bridge, so you can take a tour or you can take a look at the video as we drive over the bridge. But on this gorge now, it connects you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Or more specifically, it connects Spanish Town to the Bogwalk Town. So if you're not going on the highway, or before the highway was built, this was the main road, or the only, well, not the only road. This was the main road that you would take to drive from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And Ocho Rios is it's a tourist destination, and it has a lot of hotels and a lot of persons. Almost everybody in Jamaica has been to Ocho Rios already. It's a very popular destination for both tourists and Jamaicans. So when as you can see, it's a very narrow road. On the left is the river and on the right is the hill, rocks. So whenever this road is blocked, or in most cases, it's the flat bridge that would be blocked. Sometimes trucks break down on the bridge. Sometimes they have an accident on the bridge for whatever reason. When this roadway is blocked, you have to go over Sligoville, which is a terrible drive. It's over a hill with bad roads and takes forever. While it takes you 15-20 minutes to drive through this gorge, it could take you over an hour to go over Sligoville. Now, recently a highway was built, Highway 2000 North-South Leg, or the Edward Siaga Highway. So if you're going from Kingston to Ocho Rios, you can reach here in 45 minutes on the highway. If you're taking this route, the main roads, it can take up to an hour and a half. And if there is an accident or traffic on the road, it can take even longer.